First Visual Studio Code extension today is Regex Previewer. I think all of the programmers face this problem of how can we check if our regex code is working right. So this extension shows the current regular expressions matches in a side-by-side document. This can be turned off on with the short of keyboard Control Alt M. So you can easily install this extension to your Visual Studio Code application by hitting the install button. It will open the Visual Studio Code. Then it will open the page for the extension. Now I have installed it already and I'm using it. It's a simple, super simple extension.